Inflammation means swelling, redness, pain, or heat in the body. It happens when the body is fighting injury or infection. In simple words, inflammation equals body's reaction to injury or infection. When you get a cut, burn, or infection, your body sends help to that area. This causes swelling, redness, pain, warm feeling. This process is called inflammation. My knee has inflammation after the fall. The doctor treated the inflammation. Inflammation causes pain. Ice helps reduce inflammation. Infection leads to inflammation. A sprained ankle has inflammation. A sore throat has inflammation. Inflammation is common after injury. My finger has inflammation due to injury. Inflammation equals swelling and pain.